Hey, my name is Randy Howell, and welcome to the Spokane BBQ Company. Today, we are making sausage and pepper onion sandwiches. Yep, you're going to love them. We're going to use a nice mild Italian sausage, some beautiful peppers and onions coated with salt, pepper, and garlic, and we got our own homemade marinara sauce. I'm going to show you a special video on that, on how to make your own marinara if you've never had it. Beautiful stuff. Folks, stick around and enjoy the new intro. We'll be right back. Alright folks, welcome back. So we're going to get these peppers and onions, these sausages, and this marinara on the grill. We got the Traeger fired up to about 450 degrees, and we're just going to start cooking. Let's do it. So I got these going in. And this will be great because we're going to get that nice wood fire flavor on there, and it's just going to give it that fabulous flavor. Then we're going to get our marinara sauce in here, get that heated up. So we're going to give this a little time. I'm going to say about 30 minutes to just get nice and done, but we'll check it again and make sure it's right where it's supposed to be. Folks, we're going to be right back. We're going to be eating good. We'll see ya. Hey folks, welcome back. So we're going to check on our sausages and our onions and see where we are in this whole thing. They've been on for about 20 minutes now. Oh yeah, these are looking good. You have an escapee. Alright, our onions are looking good. We're just going to move these around. Oh yeah, that's looking great. We're going to continue to let these cook and just go. When we come back, it's going to be time to eat, folks. Stick around. Hey folks, welcome back. So these are done. We've been cooking them for about 350 degrees at, 30 minutes. And they're ready to go. So let's take a look. Let's build a sandwich and start eating. These peppers and onions look fantastic. And we got our nice wood-fired marinara sauce ready to go. All right. So we're going to get this all set up for you. Here, set it like that. Beautiful. All right. So let's go ahead and take a look at our stuff. So we got our peppers and onions, nice wood-fired grill on there. You can see some of them are nice and charred. We had olive oil, garlic, salt, and pepper. Very simple to do. We have our Italian sausages. I use mild. You can use spicy if you like, but they're all, whatever you choose is going to be good. Again, you got that nice wood fire flavor on there. And then we have our marinara sauce nice and hot, ready to go. When we come back, we're going to put this sandwich together for you, and we're eating. Be right back. All right, folks, welcome back. We're ready to get to eating. So I grabbed some of these Kaiser buns from the store. I prefer these. I like them. They're great. We're just going to open this up. I'm going to grab a nice sausage, set it in there. We're going to grab some of these peppers and onions and just line them up in there just like that. We're going to grab some of this marinara sauce. Just line it in there. You don't need a lot, but you put as much as you like. It's your sandwich. You do what you want with it. I'm going to top it a little bit of cheese. Oh, that's beautiful. Folks, that is looking good. Let's take a bite of this. man. You have all those juices from the sausage. Before I choke and die. You got all the sausage juice mixing with those peppers and onions that has that garlic, that salt, that pepper. That marinara sauce right on top just accents it really, really well. This is a great and easy dish to make at home. If you want to just throw something on the Traeger like this, it takes, what, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, and you're eating. It's fantastic stuff. Folks, thank you so much for joining us. Really appreciate it. Check out the description for the recipe on how to make this. Again, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to put it in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, and comment down below. Thanks again, folks. Until we see you next time, have fun.